Hi, everybody. I noticed today at the end of class that there was a little bit of confusion about the homework. So I thought I would make a quick video to show you what you need to do. So for your video, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go into 3.2 Myths About Education. It was already homework to look at those from Monday's homework. Click on that and you'll get in here and you will see the myths. So each myth has a number. If you are group 1, your myth is going to be myth number 1. Most immigrants are here illegally. If you're group 2, you look for the number 2, group 3, the number 3, and so on, all the way down to number 7. There are 10 myths, and 8, 9, and 10, we're not going to worry about those. We're only going up to number 7. Okay, the next step, we talked a little bit in class on Monday about evidence. How do you know that something is true or not true? You can say it, but if you want people to understand your opinion and believe your opinion, you need to have evidence to support your idea. For these myths, you will see there are a lot of blue links here. Those blue links are live links, and they will take you to a place where you can get some more information about your myth. So for example, it says here in 2014, around 44% of immigrants were naturalized U.S. citizens or foreign-born people. So if I click here, I'm going to see facts on immigrants, and this is where the information comes from. So this is my evidence to support my idea, okay? And the same goes for all of the other ones. You can click according to the American Immigration Council. This is for myth number 4. If I click here, I go to American Immigration Council, and I see the economic blame game, immigration and unemployment. And it's going to tell you there is no direct correlation between immigration and unemployment. So this is what you're going to be doing is looking at your myth and clicking as in your groups on some of these live links. Next, you're going to go to your group working space, and if you remember, you click on People First. Now, mine looks different because I am not a student, but you need to go to your new groups about immigration and social justice. So you get in here and you'll see all the groups. So I'm going to start with group 1 again, and I go to the home page. You will only be able to go to your own group, so it doesn't really matter. Then I come over here and click pages. The first page was what we looked at where we saw the videos. The second page is the one that you're going to be working in, and it's called Debunking Your Myth. And when you click here, you're going to see this space, and it says, in this group, I want you to tell what your myth is and what evidence you found that proves your myth is not true. So you're going to be writing that evidence here. You click on edit, and that will allow you to write in this page. And then when you finish writing whatever you're writing, you need to click save. Now, there are several ways you can do this. You can write your name. I'm just writing mine. And then I can put my information here if I want to. And then always click save when you're done. Another thing that you can do is you can go into the discussion thread, and I made that sample one today, homework. How should we do it? And this is a place where you can write down and make a plan with your group members. Talk to each other, divide up the work, just like you did in your previous project when we were working on education. You guys all found a way to communicate who would do what. So you can work here and send a reply to your classmates to make the plan. So the goal here is that you will write something here on this page as a group to show why your myth is not true. You will be looking for evidence. And that is the first part of your homework to do. The second part of your homework I'll show you in a minute. The second part of your homework, you're going to come down here and you're going to listen to the TED Talk. Immigrants Make Democracy Stronger. So what I would like for you to do, remember here is the talk, but if you want to use the interactive transcript, you click down here and you will be taken to the transcript, and you remember how that works. You can follow along as the speaker is speaking. What I would like for you to do is listen to this talk. You probably will need to listen 1 or 2 times and to try to get the main ideas, and I will have some questions and some information for you to work with on Monday in class. So that is your homework for Monday. I hope this will help.